Ooh, got it good. Are we gonna make a snowman or what? What we doing? Yeah, we can.
Be careful because there's holes everywhere. Like this isn't like packed snow. Dang, I should put some shades on. Dang.
Isaiah, get a
Shades at? Oh, that's all right.
get a picture of me and your mother. You want me to go get you some?
I'm good.
Isaiah, get a picture of me and your mother.
I don't think these gloves are like contact.
Yeah, they are. Take off your glove right quick.
Okay. Here, take it,
Thank you, sir.
take it.
Hurry. Gotcha. I'm recording it, Lindia.
Good.
Whoa, this is some good snow. I did. I'm recording.
Okay, let's do a snowman. Oh, look at my snow angel. It's so cute. Mom's angel.
Asia.
Let's do a snowball. Let's do a snowman. Come on, Isaiah. We gotta work together. Let's get it done.
Isaiah, don't throw that.
I'm gonna be this one kid.
Don't be that kid, please.
Yeah, don't be that kid. Oh. Make a ball. We gotta make the best snowman ever! The best snowman ever! I told y'all the snow was melting, that sun was melting. Look at the, cause you remember it was completely white. And look how much it's melted it. The sun is strong, powerful. Isaiah, I'm gonna kick your ass. What?
I'm recording.
Oh, sorry. Isaiah, I love you.
Yeah, talk like Melissa.
Isaiah, you're the best son ever.
There you go. Not till you.
Yeah, you heard that. He provoked me, y'all.
The lies she tells.
Just like, come on, Isaiah, now.
I should have got a rake.
No, this is good right here. You use your.
We want to make a
Don't
big one.
rely on modern tools. Okay, well, come on. Start getting it bigger then. Rely on your hands. Those are like the most powerful things in the world. We should have put some socks on Asia's feet.
No, she said that's gonna make it even colder. It doesn't absorb. It just
They got
absorbs.
those little booties. They're $80.
Yeah, go buy them then.
Can I go get some carrots? Nah, I'm not gonna like it today. Yes, we're gonna do. I don't think we got carrots. Anyways, I need you to find.
I'm making a separate ball.
I thought we were gonna make a big one, so we're gonna do a big one.
Yeah. This isn't keeping my hands warm.
Okay, come on. Let's start the second ball then.
Need some fresh snow.
Whose hands are dirty? Oh, wait, just cold. Oh, that's your feet. You stepped in something.
That's the country dirt, Lindia.
Oh. Mom, it's cold. You made that little sand.
She's okay.
Let's start the second ball. Here, I got it right here.
Okay. You mother sucker.
You gotta pack it in. Now this is some snow. This reminds me of Denver right here. I told you be careful.
No, I fell on purpose.
Okay, I'm gonna take the ball.
Ooh.
Oh!
I bet I hit you this time. Stay right there.
No, you supposed to come to help me.
Oh, getting close.
Dang it, Instant, if you were helping me, I could have did it right. Okay, Instant.
Ow! Dang it, I missed Asia. No!
Oh, I see. Y'all double teaming me? Dang it. Look at our backyard. It was so pretty.
Shut up. Dang it. Where those kids at?
I didn't woo you up. We did that last time it snowed, didn't we, out there? Ah! You hit my son like that. He was pushing. Let's do it. I'm gonna do it.
No.
Come on, Zell, let's double team. Be careful. Let's get him.
Oh!
Yeah, that hurt. Dang it. I got your ball, you made. Little ball right there.
Oh, my hands are cold. This isn't helping.
That's why I had doubled them.
Okay. And that concludes our snowball fight, y'all.